Good evening, everyone. Welcome back to the Football Critics. You're joined by the Nelson. I'm here with my co-host and team, Mama Boy. How are you feeling today?
Eish,
Yeah.
amnandi mfethu kuyancengeka mfethu. I don't know ngezekhosi ukuthi zizwa kanjani
Uh,
namhlanje but
yeah,
as
man.
in I know, but hey man, it is what it is.
First of all, let me just say, I got it spot on. I told you that Sundowns was gonna shock us. I told you that those boys are gonna shock us. And I told you that Kaizer Chiefs won't go through. I felt it. I could see it. It was written in the stars, man. And yeah, more than anything, honestly speaking, I watched the game, the Kaizer Chiefs. Yeah, it's typical continental football, man. Boring game, clean bench moment. Yeah, I feel like okay at times because the Chiefs, especially in the first half, how much they were off. I feel like there was a lot of gaps. That was like there was a lot of gap between our midfield weight and the defense here because of in most times is like if it's taller easily just before a final 38. Yeah, I understand that. That showed ukuthi we went as compact as we were supposed to be. Yeah, understand ama utubheka ama-shots nama-attempts izamaleki wazamile uma utubheka thina yabona ukuthi bona most of ama-opportunity abawatholile kudat gap between i-midfield and i-defense bawasebenzisile. Yeah, understand, and for us it's a thing yokuthi we didn't wanna take risks. I understand it was a thing yokuthi sifuna like asifuna uku-attack, wanna keep more of ball, and like it's like we were scared to sort of like face them head on. I understand that because of yeah, can say Umatlo had a good game, but I feel like the coach as soon as he saw that okay Flavio is not doing what he's supposed to do, Lilepo is not even though he scored. I understand that sometimes you look at Umodi, which okay, you know what Umodi, yeah, maybe bamsebenzisela ukuthi defensive uzoshaya ispan, but attacking wise umchita akasufaranga anything today. Yeah, I understand, and it's the type of changes that you need to look at, and it's the type of changes that you need to act on, because if you can see it's okay, you know what, why are we starting Umodi, or why are we continuing to go with Umodi second half when you can see with Magabambi Pola who Kichimange Pola. Apologies about that. Actually, I'm dog making shit lot of noise here. So as being such, which
No stress.
uzo kichimenge pola, and I think but matter of 4 times if I pity pola nyaweni ya kichime, like kuningi okwenzakele. I feel like umsimango naye beka imbobo today. Yeah, I understand umsimango noma kolela set labo beli imbobo. You look at the second goal, you look at the positioning yaka msimango, you look at the positioning yaka mnyani. Yeah, man, bekungasi performance ejabulisayo, man. Yeah, I understand that because someone uyabheka most ama-blunder esiwayenzile ama-blunder ukuthi siphanishiwe ngawo. Yeah, I understand that we're punished most on ama-blunders, on ama-mistakes wethu of us not being focused because of ubheka lela bhola leliya umsimango ulahla ibhola maka-tracker back laphana yena nomnyani abacheki. Yeah, I understand. So I think instead of me coming here to rant, instead of me coming here to shout at the end, I think more than anything, I'm impressed. I'm impressed. I'm proud. I think I share the same sentiments as Dr. Kumalo when he said he's proud. I think I'm proud of Kaizer Chiefs more than anything. I'm proud of what they've done so far this season. The season has not ended. Don't get me wrong, but so far I'm proud of what they've done. Taking into consideration how we've performed in the past 2, 3, or 4 seasons, and for us to go back to continental football and get to a point whereby siphuma kanje. I mean, Mautiapega siphuma because of a goal difference and just one goal difference. I understand. I'm proud of how this team has progressed from last season to this season. You look at the amount of games we've lost. So I think more than anything, as Kosi fans, you need to look at the brighter side of things. Which, you know what, the boys tried. You look at the way Sipumeng corner, man. You look at the table. You look at the numbers. The numbers don't lie. Yeah, I understand. So I think more than anything, it's just us having to come back and be like, you know what, Asiko Netbank, Asiko Continental Football, we only have the league. You understand? We only there have the league to focus on. Mamelodi Sundowns still needs to entertain Nedbank. Mamelodi Sundowns still needs to entertain continental football. Mamelodi Sundowns still needs to entertain league football. Orlando Pirates still needs to entertain Nedbank. Orlando Pirates still needs to entertain league football. We only have league football. You understand? So I think now we need to lock in. Now we need to focus. Now we need to come back and be like, okay, you know what? Our mandate is to finish nothing outside of the top 4. Yeah, I understand. I'm not saying let's go and win the league. I don't think we can win the league. I mean, I have to be realistic, but I think we're at the point where we have to be like, you know what? It's top 4 or nothing. You only have the league to stress about. It's top 4 or nothing. So that's what I have to say about the Kaizer Chiefs. I'm really proud of the boys, man. I'm really proud.
Yeah, man. Obviously, phela mawuphuma kwama-cup competitions, it's always disappointing, yabo. But I go back to lento oyishilo ukuthi Chiefs can be proud a bit of what they did this season because I'll be totally honest. When the season started, I did not think ukuthi Chiefs will go to ama-group stage. Mina ngithi nizophuma early. Yabo leyo nto, especially futhi ukuphuma in these circumstances kama-group stage whereby niphuma by the amount of goals you guys didn't score. Banama-rules wabo like ICAF. Sometimes I don't understand. So it's something you can be proud of that. You can't. So when you jump from ending number 9 and then playing continental football and playing it this way and still competing in the league kahle futhi and you know just having low difference enkulu from the previous season to this season, it's something to be proud of. Yes, all coach they do make a mistake, yeah, but especially in a team selection. I mean, I always cry out to ukuthi why bengamfaka umfundo uVila, yabo leyo nto, because I feel like mina kwama-player that Kaizer Chiefs has, I feel like he's attacking wise, he's the most creative. He's the one that creates a spark for Chiefs. And in games like these, you do need players who also create a spark. Yabo, someone nje also create something. And then to kumncisha lokho up until nize niqala ukudliwa kuyimanje uzomfaka when defender and it's very difficult to come back. So ilawo amaphutha lawo coach abawenzayo, but nonetheless yeah, man, it is what it is. You're not gonna just jump from the previous seasons and go all the way to winning hand. I mean, not even Zamalek now did that. When they were having a rough patch in their league, they didn't just have a rough patch and then come back and just win it. So it's football. But, I understand the frustrations and disappointment, but yeah, man, it is what it is. In a league, man, just to focus on just the league pair. So top 3 minimum, bare minimum.
We have bigger fish to fry now. We have bigger fish to fry now.
Yeah, fish. Yeah, let's move on to it down. Yeah.
Yeah. I told you, Njaya, and I said to you, yes, there's problems with Mamelodi Sundowns. Yes, things are not looking all shiny, all rosy, but they still Mamelodi Sundowns. I understand. We can't just write them off. We can't. I understand. And today they showed what exactly I said, which they have a surprise for us. And you know, Roland is a good coach. Don't get me wrong. Roland is a good coach, but I'm so disappointed. I'm so disappointed at how Rulani played, at how Itimga Rulani played, with all the hype that was there, as it built up towards the game. I'm so disappointed, man. I looked at that game and I said it. I think I wrote it on Twitter. I think I wrote it in the first 15 minutes. I was like, yeah, no, Rulani is in for a beating today. Yeah, I understand. I wrote it in the first 15 minutes. I was like, Rulani is in for a beating today because of. I looked at the body language Yamachita Rulani. I looked at the way Yamachita Rulani dlala ngakhona. it's like amachita azengale mentality le ukuthi okay, we're playing against Mamelodi Sundowns, former club yaga Rulani. Like I feel like they focused more on izinto bekungamelanga bafocus kuzo. Yeah, I understand it, because Motia figure Motia Peggy Sundowns mandate was they only had one mandate: kill the game. Kill the game, because Motia Pega amachita ka Rulani couldn't stitch passes. Amachita ka Rulani, like in midfield ka Rulani was dead. Team ka Rulani was dead. Mikel Katosi into yenzile today, he schooled Rulani. You look at the setup yakhe yenzile, ubheka the way amachita wakhe bewapositioning ngakhona, ubedlala uMudiba, ubedlala uNdamane, ubedlala uKekana, ubedlala noMutawu. You understand? But leafo ibishintshe be-3. Leafo ibishintshe be-3, apushe bani, apushe uMorena ngapha. And manje ukhumbule ukuthi if you have Morena and Mutawu on the same side, uzolimala, because of boy two bakhona ukwenza the same job. If this one is up there gone, Morena is back here. If Morena, like Mikel Katoso schooled Rulani, and he showed Rulani good, okay, now he's capable of something. You understand? It was a back 4 years, but ibishintshe hlale kanje ikhuphulele 2. And if there's a threat yaga Mutawu and Umrena from one side, you're in trouble. You understand? You look at the changes awayenzile. Uthe mase sekafaka uAlende lapha, you could see ukuthi ke khona manje sekafuna keep it game. You understand? Sekafuna ukudlala ibhola manje. You understand? And you look at as soon as uAlende aqeda again, it's when Sundowns got their second goal, because of he's someone who's able to dictate their midfield. You understand? Yes, uqale kahle, even though I felt like okay, it was more defensive. Uzoqala uMukwena, uzoqala uAdams, uzoqala uMorena. But if you're saying okay, now you're taking off Morena, you're putting in a player like Allende, you're playing football. Now you want to play football. You understand? So he showed us okay, he can set up a team like this, get a goal, change the setup, get another goal, and just push a game. And which is exactly what he did. So with regards to Urhalani, ne team yake, I'm disappointed. They dropped the stinker. And the Sundowns won their game deservedly so.
Yeah, but as I remember, I did when the first time they played Bezalale Alger, when I did the post-match reaction, I remember exactly what I said. I was like, you see this team, I see the coaching of Rulani. Yabo, I see what Rulani is trying to do with this team, but I question the quality of the team there. Because when you look at the game, like exactly in that way, the team they can't even string a pass together. It's like they understand yeah, it's like they don't even know each other. Like there wasn't at any point in the game where I felt this team will score. Like zero, the way they were just abysmal. So I always question the quality of their team there. The reason why they can knock out the Sundowns is because of the results that they've been getting with League and recently with KF. Yeah, so I was like, oh, okay, maybe say Yasangan. Yeah, and since they are a North African team, you know how North African teams when they come into a game and if favorable, yeah, where they can just manage a game and just manage the results. I was like, oh, okay, they can do it. But then when I was watching that game, it just reminded me of Lento Engaibona, even when they were playing at home, with this team just lacked quality. Ayiki quality their team. And most of even the squad is young. They're lacking experience. They're playing against the Mamelodi Sundowns team that's been doing this for years and years and years. Not to Abu right back here, great player, they're right back here, their team there. But he's 18. Yeah, I'm a midfielder, they are like 21, 20. Yeah, they have a young squad full and
left wing and the quality left wing, yeah.
It's like but
yeah,
hey man, more than just lack quality like that, you're gonna get punished. Ngisho kuthiwa i-Sundowns mfethu kodwa ubani idlala liphi ibhola, they still Mamelodi Sundowns, bro.
Exactly.
So bazokushaya.
and that's exactly what I thought to myself just before the game, and I was like, you know what? Yes, we predicted predicting, but this is still Mamelodi Sundowns. You understand? And you look at the fact that they were able to do, or they were able to score 2 goals without your Shalulile, without your Reynas, without your Santos, without your Reinsino, without your Allende. The five, 6 players that I just counted. I understand ukuthi they are Mamelodi Sundowns. I understand they just need a better coach than Cardoso who can do a better job with those players. Yes, he's doing the bare minimum. He's doing what he can with all the quality that he has. I mean, they still have Abosaling coming. I understand that, but at the very same time, I don't want to dwell too much on the negative side because I feel like today they had a good game and they deserve credit. I understand. So yeah, man, I think I stand by what I said. Yeah, Rulani was schooled today. I'm disappointed at display ga Rulani. Their team ga Rulani, they ain't Ashawe Chiefs. I their team. Let's be honest. Their team ga Rulani.
Yeah.
Pirates ingazenzela nga their team ga Rulani there. There's no quality there. Doc, you were right when you said you can't even see a smaller glimpse ukuthi goal lingeza, like they can't string passes. There's no chemistry. I think but good that side ngale bola la bedlalwa that side el Poraya. Moses at this side udlala le bola they're playing against Mamelodi Sundowns at home. They're going to school you. They're going to school you because of noma bangabe ba coach or Cardoso, noma bangabe ba coach or Mangoba. There's still that philosophy, there's still that identity in Mamelodi Sundowns that will never go away. I understand. Maybe if they went that side, maybe it was gonna be a different story. We don't know. Maybe because of they playing at home, because of the atmosphere, because of they know what's at stake. But you can't come to South Africa with Mamelodi Sundowns and play like that. And even Rulani admitted post conference. He said the better team won, the better side won. He saw now. I saw him score City 2-0. I'm on his knees, Ganji. You could see what I want to say. Okay, you know what? I'm getting schooled. There's nothing I can do. No quality. Yeah, Angie, he was just it was an embarrassing moment for Rolando. I'm sorry to say this. I respect Rolando. I know he's a good coach, he's a brilliant coach. We all know that, but today's performance, embarrassing. Embarrassing performance, bro. Embarrassing performance, boy. And man, okay, Kaizer Chiefs out. Mamelodi Sundowns is through. Congratulations to Mamelodi Sundowns. Pirates was also playing today, but we'll do a special one for Orlando Pirates and the league tomorrow or Monday latest. I think that's all that I have, man, for today's games. We continental football. I don't know if you still wanna add or you still wanna ask or you still want us to talk about something else.
Yeah, and that's all for me. Congratulations to Mamelodi Sundowns, for doing what they always do. Just keeping it clean, winning, going through. And I'd like to, as I said, Naturena. But yeah, football, it is what it is. That's it from me too. So guys, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. We talk and breed football here all the time. We do this because we love this. Ibola siyalithanda. Siphefumula lona. Like alipheli ilanga singazange sikhiphe umoya webhola.
I know deep down you burning to talk about Orlando Pirates. I know you burning to talk about Orlando Pirates, but let's save it for tomorrow. That one deserves episode. Yeah, I know you're burning to talk about. I'm also burning to talk about Orlando Pirates, but let's look at Orlando Pirates tomorrow. Let's do Orlando Pirates tomorrow. There's a lot to talk about. Let's just see tomorrow, man. It's a boy, the Nelson.
It's your boy, Tlags in the team. I will see you guys tomorrow. Hola.